Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Roblox Studio and creating a place, then enable API services so features work. Once done, add a script in Server Script Service for authoritative logic and a local script in Starter Player Scripts for client behavior. Make a module script to store reusable functions. This prevents duplication and clarifies roles. As you name scripts, follow a consistent convention so you can find code quickly. By starting with these pieces, you prepare a clear structure to build interactive mechanics and networked behavior. You now implement the core logic, wiring remote event and remote function calls between client and server. Once done, put heavy lifting and permission checks on the server so clients cannot cheat, validate inputs, and clamp values to safe ranges. Make module script functions for repeated calculations and shared constants, and require them in both server and client contexts to keep behavior consistent. As you iterate, test interactions frequently so you catch networking bugs early and maintain separation of concerns between client visuals and server authority. You finish by polishing UX, optimizing performance, and thoroughly testing. Run play solo, then start server and start player sessions to reproduce issues. Make small wins, add debounces to events, and move heavy work off render step to heartbeat or server ticks. When something breaks, isolate the change with binary testing. Revert half the changes to narrow the cause, and verify server permissions and remote event flow. A final pass should tighten security, improve responsiveness, and leave your scripts maintainable and robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.